Hello, my friends. I'm back. I feel like I've been missing for so long. I have not uploaded a video on YouTube in probably like a month and a half, and there's a reason for that. I don't know if a lot of you guys know this, but I am a full-time photographer, and typically, like the months from July through December are absolutely insane for me. I am trying to like get everybody's pictures finished. They have fall sessions, and then I've got everybody that wants their, pictures edited for Christmas cards. So I have been literally glued to my chair in my office trying to get everyone's pictures finished just so I could get back to my normal life again. And here I am uploading a YouTube video. Oh my gosh. So I have been completely lacking on just like filling you guys in on different promotions that are going on. And we have some really good ones for December. So I definitely wanted to get on here before the month is over just to kind of go over those with you guys. So the first one we are going to go over is one that actually came out this morning. It was a little motivation for me to get on. I'm like, okay, I got to at least share this one. So what that is now through, I think it's the 16th. And I will make sure to write this below as well. But they will have, if you purchase a regular system, you will also get another system for only $25. So that is a super good deal because if you have a family member or if you have a friend or anybody, or if you just want to try two different types of systems, you're going to get that for 25 bucks. You can gift it to somebody for Christmas, which makes an awesome Christmas present and a very affordable Christmas present. And you can actually help somebody that has maybe any hair issues. So I wanted to share that with you and just take advantage of that before the 16th if you decide, or by the 16th if you decide you want to do that. The other thing I wanted to share with you is a super duper good deal. I have had a lot of messages in the past, I would say like 3 to 4 weeks, just regarding the business opportunity. And I know in December, I'd respond to people and kind of tell them what it involves. And, I feel like Monat makes it very easy to start a business. And I know around the Christmas holidays, I think, money's tight for people. And even though it's affordable, they just don't have the extra, $100 or $200 to start their business. So right now, Monat's pretty much allowing you to start your business free, which is unheard of. I have never heard of anyone being able to, start a successful business free. And this is what they're doing. So they're offering, and this is for anybody that's really motivated to start this. There's another option if you just want to, maybe get the products at a discounted price and not be obligated to sell them. And we'll go over that also. But if you are a motivated person, you need extra income, maybe you want to do this full time like I do. I mean, it's completely up to you, but you can purchase the product pack. They have many different product packs, and I'm going to actually, the video that I have up right here shows you the most affordable product pack they have right now and what comes with it. And you can get this product pack right here for $49. And how to do that is you would purchase it for $49 straight off the website, and you have 30 days to enroll a VIP customer and another market partner. That is so simple to do within your first 30 days when you first join this company. So if you can do that, you're getting this product pack for $49. And because they have awesome bonuses with this company and lots of great incentives, if you do that, you're also going to get a $50 bonus. So you're getting this product pack and all these products 100% free. That's crazy to me. I did not have that opportunity whenever I first enrolled. And remember, when I enrolled last year, I enrolled to get these products at a discounted price for myself and to help my mom with her hair issues. I did not have any desire whatsoever to distribute and sell these products. So I just one day posted a before and after on my Facebook page. My inbox blew up and literally everything just happened very quickly. I did not have any intentions of doing that. So if that is what you prefer to do, and if you do want to just use these products and get a bigger discount than what you would get as a VIP customer, you can purchase the same product pack right here for $199. You're still getting, I think, over 40% discount on what the regular price would be. And you have no obligation to sell them whatsoever. You just get your products for 30% off as a market partner. So you also have that option as well. But again, if you think you know of anyone that may need the extra income, just like you may, and, another friend or family member that might just want to support you, or someone that also has hair issues that might want to become a VIP customer so they can take advantage of those awesome incentives, do this $49 because you've got 30 days to, get those people to enroll, and you're going to get this for 49 bucks. You're going to get your bonus, and you're going to get all this for free. They're going to get that same. So if you have another market partner that takes advantage of this within 30 days, they're going to get that same exact plan. So, I mean, it's just, and then they can do it. They can do the same thing. So, I mean, it's such an awesome deal. And I really wanted to share that with you guys before the end of December, because I've had several people message me within the past 3 weeks or so, and they just didn't really want to fork out the money at this time. So right now, if you can get this for free and you're motivated and you really want this extra money from this business and you want to help people, that is the best. If you guys saw the emails that I get from people that I have helped along, like in the past year, and they're seeing the major difference that Monat has had on there, including my mom, my mother, and I've shared pictures in my other videos of my mom's results, but it is literally the best feeling in the world. And if you can help people do that, and you can also make an income at the same time, and you can also get these products for yourself and your family for a discounted rate, it's almost silly to say no to an opportunity like that. So I wanted to share this with you guys before the month is over. I'm hoping I can have more time now to get on here. There's still so many more videos I need to do. I need to do a product update. I told all of you, I know that a lot of you guys have been following the video that I did regarding the shampoos, and we have come out with so many new products since that video, and I literally can't even keep track. We've got a thermal heat protectant now. We've got several other shampoos that I have not talked about. There's just so many amazing things and so many products that are unheard of that Monat alone has. Nobody else has. So there's just a lot of great things I need to share and probably get on here. I just got to find the time to get on and do more videos. So if you guys have any questions, I will have my link below. Check out the website. Again, there are other product packs that offer even more products, and everything is $150 off right now. So just let me know if you have any questions. I love emails. I see emails a lot faster than I see messages on here. So if you want to email me directly with any questions, please do that. I will probably respond within 5 minutes because I have my phone glued to my hand at all times. So I have like a 1 second response time, I swear. But anyways, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already done that. Hopefully I'll be on a lot more to share more stuff with you guys. And I think that's all for now. So just let me know if you have any questions. Everybody have a happy holiday. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas to you guys. And thank you for watching. I will see you all soon. Bye.